Hello and welcome to another episode of Lordsplodge Reviews. This time we're going to take a look at Clarify, the application that lets you make screenshot style documents to help with training and such, as an alternative to screen recordings, which according to the website here, and I can verify that screen recordings aren't always the easiest thing to do. So yeah, screenshot software is simple, Clarify sits in the middle, and screen recording is quite complex. The website's quite good, but let's have a look at the software. So Clarify by default runs as a little menu bar icon up here. You can see it between ScreenFlow and Dropbox, so we're there, and you can set things like capture delay, open Clarify. You can take a screenshot, place it on the clipboard, take a screenshot and upload it to Clarify.it. We'll look at that later, and take a screenshot. What we'll do at the moment is open Clarify. We'll create a new Clarify document. And this is the basic application. You've got add text, add captured image, share, export as PDF, and export to Evernote. So what we'll do here is, let's say we were trying to create a instructional guide on how to download this. So what we're going to do is take a screenshot. We've got options here of changing the capture mode. So window or a drag cursor. You press R to show the previous capture area, and C hides the cursor. So let's drag it over this and click capture, and so that's put it in. But let's say we're going for the Mac version here, so the next thing we want to do is capture another screenshot. That's this one. And finally, let's pretend that we were making a screenshot of Finder that showed you how to get it into the applications folder, for example. So this time we'll capture that. Okay, so I have to press space, change the mode, and capture the picture of Finder. So now we've got the 3 screenshots in here: step 1, step 2, and step 3. So what we can do is we can name each section. So let's get this. So that's the title, and here's step 1. So we could have a paragraph of text, and you'll notice that around the image that I've captured here, we have bits that we can drag out. So what we're going to do is we're going to drag it out, and we're going to put a arrow in here like that, and a bit of text here. And you can put other things as well. You can put a border, you can put a number. So there's number 1, there's number 2, and so on and so forth. Squares, circles. You can change the size of each thing. So we can change the size of the border on that, and its opacity. And you drag it out and make it bigger. That's so step 1, so we'll do this to step 2. So step 1 there, step 2. We're just going to drag out the side here, and again we're going to put an arrow in like so. We're going to make this one a bit bigger, and we're going to make it slightly opaque. I've got a number in there and some text. So there's some text. Make that a bit bigger, and then what we're going to do is shrink the border, make that more opaque. And step 3, and we just put a little circle around here. So let's pretend that that was it, and there we go. So there's the document. So you can upload it. That's what we've just done here. Now you'll need a Clarify.it account, but that's free. So that's uploaded, and you can copy the URL to share it, copy the HTML, or visit the site. We'll just quickly visit the site. And as you can see, it's made a guide, step 1, step 2, step 3. And you can share this URL, the HTML, styled HTML, or just the images. Or you can delete this. Obviously I'm logged on as myself, so I have that ability to do that. If we go back here, if you wanted to get it to somebody else in a format, we'll just export it as a PDF. So that will render out a PDF. Oh, there it is. And step 1, step 2, step 3. Look at that. Perfect. Now you can change what it does, as it's telling me here. In the preferences, I can attach PDFs to new Apple Mail messages, export to a temporary folder or a folder of your choosing. So let's go and have a look at that now. Let's look at the preferences. So you got the hotkey setups. So Shift Command 2. PDF is export to file, export temp file, or attach to mail, and then what you want it to do. In this case, in mail, because that's the I only have mail installed, so it shouldn't really show me the other ones. But hey ho, I'll leave that as that. You can auto scale images. The original copy is stored. Hide Clarify, launch at startup. Clarify status menu is available after quitting Clarify. Yeah, the usuals. And then you've got your account options here. Then your PDF templates here. So there's this one or that one. And you can add a PDF template if you wanted. So that's Clarify, a simple application for creating training documents. If you don't want to go to the effort of creating a video tutorial, but basic screenshot applications are a little too simple for your needs. It's not bad. Personally, I prefer dealing in video, but some people don't, and it fits that bill. I'm not going to save that. I guess this, and that's that for this time's episode. So thanks for watching, and stay tuned soon for more screencasts.